Welcome to Arlington Forest. Today with a snowy day, we're gonna tour 410 North Granada. It has a total of 6 bedrooms, 5 full restrooms, and 1 half bathroom, all distributed in the top floor, the main level, and a basement, and it has a 2-car garage with a studio apartment on the top. Welcome to your channel, Living in Arlington Today, where we help you navigate the complex world of buying, selling, and investing in real estate here in Arlington, Virginia. The construction was done by Nova Custom Renovations. This house is listed by Davinder Randhawa from Avery Hess. If you want to tour this house or any other house here in the Northern Virginia area, please do not hesitate. Reach out to me or my team, and we'll be more than happy to accommodate your schedule and show you around town. Space looks a lot bigger with 10-foot ceilings on the main level and 9-foot ceilings on the top level. Let's go to the basement. In the basement, you're gonna have your mechanical room right in front of us, and then a full bathroom. your own pet grooming salon. What do you think, Rufus? Let's tour the apartment above the garage. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions about real estate. My name is Miguel, and this is your channel, Living in Arlington Today. Thank you very much for staying tuned, and we'll see you next week.